Today I'm going to share with you one of the fastest ways to make money online in 2019. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright, so I get this question all the time in my YouTube videos, and that is, how do I make money online if I'm a beginner, I don't have any money, and I don't have a lot of experience with affiliate marketing? I'm going to show you a way for you to actually start making money online without having to invest any money, just investing your time. Now, when it comes to online marketing, there's two ways to succeed, and that is, first, you got to invest your time, or you have to invest your money. Most of the people that I know who are successful with online marketing, they started with no money whatsoever. I'm one of those people. When I first got started online, I didn't have any money for paid advertising. I didn't have any money to buy courses and things like that. So what I would do is just watch a lot of YouTube videos. I would read a lot and basically just experiment and invest a lot of my time to try to make this affiliate marketing thing work. What I'm gonna do in this video is just give you a quick method for you to start making money with affiliate marketing without having to worry about, building an email list or building a YouTube channel or Facebook page or any of that. I'm just going to show you one simple way that you can tap into buyers traffic, and that is people who are looking to buy stuff, digital products online, which you can use as a bridge to your own affiliate links and make commissions every single time they make a purchase. You do have to put up some work. This is not something like you push a button and you start making money. You gotta put up some work, but in the end, it's gonna be worth it, because the more you do it, the more likely you are to make more money. I'm gonna break it down for you in this video. I'm gonna show you the entire process of how that works. I'm gonna explain it to you. Hopefully you take action, not just watch the video, but you actually go out there and start doing this exact method, because there's a lot of opportunities out there. There's very little competition, and you can definitely start making money doing this method. Now, before I jump to the video, I just want to let you know that if you want to download my free affiliate marketing guide, in the description below you'll find a link to that guide where I show you how I personally make money online with affiliate marketing, and how I'm able to make $100, $200, $300 per day with affiliate marketing online, and how you can do the exact same thing. It's completely free. You can go and download it. With that said, let's jump into the video. All right, guys, so this method is all about finding digital affiliate marketing products that you can promote using YouTube videos. And this is one of the best and simplest ways for anyone to start making money online this week if you want to do that. Now, what you're looking at is a website called Muncheye, and in this website you'll find a list of the big launches and digital marketing products that are being launched in the marketplace. And every single day you'll find a product that someone is actually launching, and believe it or not, thousands of dollars are being made every single day. So if you want to jump on this with what I'm going to show you, you're not going to have to invest much money. Basically, it's a lot of your time if you want to start making money with this. Now, if we scroll down, you can see that there's dates for all the launches of digital products and the networks where those products are being launched. And you can see this JVZoo, ClickBank, and you can see the name of the products here, and you can see also the commissions that they're paying basically for promoting those products. So you can become an affiliate for those products, and when someone buys through your link, you'll make typically a 50% commission. And the list goes on, and you can find those products that are being launched for every single month, and you can hijack basically the spots on YouTube and Google, because what we want to do is we want to find buyers that are looking to purchase these products, and they're looking for reviews or looking for information on those products before making that purchase. So how do we get in front of those people? The best way to get in front of those people is using SEO, which means search engine optimization. And what that means basically is that if a product is being launched the next week, what you want to do is you want to try to get your video to rank on YouTube and Google at the same time. So when someone searches for the name of that product, your video is going to be the first one or the second one to pop on YouTube or Google. And when they watch that video and they click the link in the description of the video to buy the product, you're going to make a commission. It's that simple. It's basically, you're going to be a middleman between the product and the customer. The customers, if the customers decides to buy the product from you, you're gonna make that commission. Now you might be thinking, how exactly am I gonna make a video promoting a product that hasn't launched yet? There's two ways to do it. One, you can request a demo copy from the owner of the product, and basically they're willing to give you a demo account for you to just review it and check it out. You can request it. Usually if you let them know that you want to make a review video, they'll give you a demo account for you to just review it, check it out, and so you can make your own video, and then you can upload that video on YouTube. The second way to do it is by simply creating a screen capture video, and that's what I'm doing right now. Just recording my screen, you can't see my face, and just talking about the product and what that product is going to be about, and giving you some additional information on that product that might help someone make that purchase decision. And the third way to do it is by creating a simple promotional video, where you basically create a simple little video with pictures and text and music, and that allows you to just hijack that spot on Google and YouTube. So I'm going to give you an example of that right now. So what I did is I came down here and I picked one product, and that was My Traffic Jacker. As you can see, I paid $47 at a 50% commission. So if we go to the JV page, you can see this is basically the affiliate page where they're talking about what the product is going to be all about. They have pictures and they have text, and they're showing how the product actually works. From this, you can create your own screen capture video, because honestly they provide you with all that information. Now you can also request a demo account. They even have a demo video here which you can use on your own promotions in your own video if you wanted to do that. But basically all that information that you need to create a review video or a promotional video is going to be found in this affiliate page, because they're providing you with all the information that you might need to promote that product. Now, I want you to take a look at this. The name of the product is called My Traffic Jacker. If we go on YouTube and we type My Traffic Jacker review, you can see that there's barely any videos talking about it. That's because the product hasn't launched yet. So there's people getting in front of it and trying to rank on the first page of YouTube for that specific video, because when the product actually launches and there's gonna be a bunch of people just sending emails and investing money into advertising to promote that product, there's gonna be people who are gonna go on YouTube, and there's gonna be people who are gonna go on Google, and they're gonna start researching more information before making a purchase decision. So what these guys are doing is basically just getting in front of that wave and getting their video on the first page of YouTube. So when that happens, when that day comes, they're ready, and they have their affiliate link, and they start making money right away. Now I want you to see what happens when we actually go and search on Google for that same keyword. Check it out. The same guy that's ranking #1 on YouTube with just 19 views 1 week ago, it's also ranking on the first page of Google as the #1 result for that same keyword. So this guy, with that very simple little video, when that product actually launches on later this month, he could start making affiliate commissions because he was actually ahead of the pack and got in front of that wave and started creating that video that talked about what the traffic jacker is going to do. By now, I hope that you understand the concept of how this works. And your next question might be, how do I create the videos? If you want to get ahead of the pack, what I would say is to just promote products that are maybe a week and a half or 2 weeks before they launch, so you have enough time to just create your video and rank that video on YouTube and Google. You don't want to promote products that are being launched, you know, tomorrow or the next day, because there's gonna be a little bit more competition for those products. But in this case, as you can see for this one, there's very little competition. There's barely any competition. So if you create a video about this topic right now, My Traffic Jacker review, most likely you will fall on the first page of YouTube and Google, because there's pretty much no one targeting that keyword. Alright, so let's talk about creating the actual videos. There's 3 ways to do it. Like I said, one is getting access to a demo account. If you can't get access to that, the second way is to creating a screen capture video, which you can do using the affiliate page that explains what the product actually does and basically all the features and benefits that it offers. And the third way is using just images and music and text. And for that, Videomaker FX. And this basically allows you to just pump videos in less than a minute. What Videomaker FX does is that they have templates which you can customize with text, music, and you can create your own little 60-second video talking about the product, and you can create these videos in less than 3 minutes if you have the templates already set up. So I want to show you how that looks like. I created a demo video. This took me less than 5 minutes to make. You can see some of the text here, and then it says how does it work, and then we have some more explanation that I took from the affiliate page. I took that text from the affiliate page. I also took some of the pictures that they had in that specific page. As you can see, here's the video. My Traffic Jacker can help you double your traffic. You can see there some cool graphics to help drive home the point. And then it says, what are you waiting for? And then we have the call to action, which is click the link in the description to learn more. And that's where you point those people who are looking to buy the product to the actual sales page where they can buy the product through your affiliate link. So if they decide to buy, then that means you're gonna make that 50% commission. So like I said, this took me less than 5 minutes to create. Very easy to do. You can do this type of videos with this type of software called Videomaker FX. I'm gonna link to it in the description below if you want to get it. But for me, it's been very helpful because sometimes I don't want to create a screen capture video. So just imagine if you had a YouTube channel with 25-30 videos of this type of videos using Videomaker FX. You're not worrying about getting subscribers. You're not worrying about making money with YouTube ads. You're simply sending buyers traffic to products and services that people were gonna buy anyways, and instead you're helping those people buy it through your link, through your own affiliate link. All right, so as you can see, it's not really that complicated. You will have to invest some of your time in order to create the videos and try to rank those videos on YouTube. Now, ranking the videos on YouTube is one of the easiest things that you can do because there's basically no competition for those keywords whatsoever. You can even rank on Google like I show you in the example. And if you do this properly, if you have a YouTube channel with 5, 6, 7, 8 videos that are ranking on the first page of YouTube for different product launches that are coming up, because you're going to be one of the first people on Google and YouTube to actually link to that product, and you're going to be able to make some money out of that by simply bridging the customer with the actual product. You're going to be the middleman, and because of that, you're going to make that commission. Now, like I said, there's 2 ways to do that. You can do it with a screen capture video, or you can do it with a simple software like I'm using with Videomaker FX. I'm going to put a link in the description below for you to check it out if you want to check it out, which basically allows you to just pump videos like that and create as many videos as you want in a matter of minutes. So guys, I really do hope that you find this video very valuable and helpful to you. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I post videos like this every single week, hopefully to help you guys make money online or launch your own online business. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.